So here we have the Audi A3 S-Line on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 96,708. You can have other things displayed up here, including a digital readout for the speedometer, and that is accessed via the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls as well, and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over on the central screen under the telephone heading, and then you'd pair your phone from there. The movement that you see me making on the screen currently is being done predominantly using this dial. These 4 buttons relate to the 4 corners of the screen, or you can select things directly from here. So you can see I've just gone into the radio menu where we've got DAB, FM and AM radio. But just using the dial, you can go to media, push the dial down, and you can see the different ways you can listen to your own music here, including Bluetooth audio. Again, back out to the main menu, you'll find satellite navigation. Really nice clear color display, very easy system to use. You can also then from here check your car systems. You'll also be able to, if you wish to, check or set up the different driving modes of the car. By that, I mean that you are able to change it from individual, dynamic, auto, comfort, or efficiency. Working our way down, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. You can turn your traction control on and off. You can shut the screen down, or of course open the screen back up again. You can use that button to change the drive modes that I showed you just a second ago, or you can use the main dial, which is what I was using. You can then make adjustments to your dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And you can hear the car doing its thing there. You can, if you wish to, let the car take full control by hitting auto. It will now control the direction of the air and fan speed to maintain the temperatures you've asked for, and you can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a cigarette lighter, which can be used as a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then the main volume for the stereo, along with the controls I went through just a moment ago, and an electronic handbrake for the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.